Did you know there's a place in our solar system where it literally rains diamonds? Meet Uranus and Neptune, our ice giant neighbors. Deep within their atmospheres, unimaginable pressures exist. Methane, abundant there, gets squeezed into carbon. Powerful lightning storms then turn this carbon into soot, which, under even more pressure, forms tiny diamond crystals. These tiny gems grow larger as they fall through the planet's layers. Some can be as big as a car battery. They sink for thousands of kilometers, eventually forming a vast molten diamond ocean around the planet's cores. This incredible phenomenon was confirmed by scientists in lab experiments, recreating the extreme conditions of these distant worlds. So next time you look at a diamond, imagine billions of them, raining down on a giant alien world.